Pipaw, dahil magbo-birthday ka na,
Oh,
at aalis na ako, ibibigay ko na yung gift mo. Pero, dapat hulaan mo muna kung ano to. Papain.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Kailangan i-open para...
Ano yan, Pipaw?
Ala.
Di ba yan ang...
Yan yung request mo, di ba?
Silip lang. Guess muna, guess. Anong brand? Anong brand?
Alfonso. Parang may nakita akong pula doon. May pula.
Oh, no, ano yun?
Ano kaya yan? Ano yan? Kailangan open. Open sesame.
Putik.
Yes!
Wait lang.
Bibili siya ulit ng Jollibee.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
Wow, thank you so much.
may pang lasing nga.
Thank you, Nak.
You're
Maraming salamat.
welcome. Happy birthday po, advance, dahil wala ka pa sa birthday. Ate.
Hindi mo birthday.
Ate.
First time birthday mo.
Akin ang tabi ko. Baka mawala mo.
Ah.
Baka mawala. Hindi sa'yo yan. Nakakahiya naman.
Wow.
Kaya pala
Nilala ko
ito
yung
eh. Thank you, anak. Salamat.
Welcome.
Hindi, di tayo lang.
Parang ayaw mo sila.
Ha?
Parang ayaw mo pumunta sila. Hindi mo naman i-invitin eh. Hindi, kahit ako na magsaan mamaya. Wala naman daw.
Wala nga kawali. Itong maliit lang, pwede?
Di, dalawa yung ganyan eh.
Baka nakasangla.
Pagpasok mo doon, pagpasok mo doon, may ano, CCTV. Kahit ako, pag ako nagdiretso mamaya, may nakabuton na, nakasunod na si Kapitan. Sabi ko, good morning, Kap. Sabi ko, oh, good morning. Sabi niya gano'n.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Baka may card kayo. Ate Pen, bakit meron siya kayo?
Meron siya.
Meron siya,
Ay, sa kanya lang.
mga pamilya.
Sa amin dalawa, ni Papa niya. Yung 180 yung laman nun. Tapos yung iba pa yung kumukuha siya ng gamot doon.
The search is over. You were with me all the while. We last forever. Will we fall apart? At times it's all confusing. The questions of the heart. You follow me through changes. Impatiently you'd wait till I came to my senses through some miracle of faith. I was living for a dream, loving for a moment, taking on the world. That was just my style. Now I look into your eyes.
The search has come full circle. Our destinies are one. So if you ever love me, show me that you give all time. Your love for certain, the man I really am. I was living for a dream, loving for a moment, taken on the road. That was just my style. When I touched your hand, I could hear you whisper, the search is over, love was right before my eyes.
Ang galing! Palakpakan na!
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ikaw muna pa rin.
Ako muna.
Oh, mag-wish ka muna.
Wish. Sige.
Ang haba naman. Nag-aantay yung Alphonse, diba?
Yes! Oh, ito.
Okay.
Mag-wish muna ako.
Wish. Wish ko lang. Ito na.
Yes! Happy
Happy birthday. Tatlo lang tayo. Okay na. Ikon na. Uy,
Wow, thank you! Maraming sa... Mayroon. Oh my God!
Asan si ano? Yes.
Ay, sa trabaho.
Wow! Thank you. Suot ko na to.
Ah, ikaw bala.
Salamat! Salamat!
Meron pa.
Uy! Wow! Uy, thank you! Mayroon na akong bag sa concert ko sa Kabanatuan. Uy, salamat!
Hindi.
Thank you so much! Woo! Salamat!
Eh, ano eh.
Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Yes, you know when will you be coming back to me? There were times I feel like giving up.
Stress lang si Ryan dito sa 24 eh. Ano ba ba? Tanto na ba yun?
I'm about
Wala din na.
every second Oh, please go na. Balik na ba rin tapos na? Never let you go. Yes, it will.
Baby, you're a rolling star. Baby, you're a shining spark. You are. Baby, you're the queen of my heart. Baby, what are you made of, my girl? My girl. I can't take my eyes off you, moving like I never do. You make me do. You can take your eyes off mine. The way you move is calling my soul. Do. Just put your hands on mine and put your lips on mine.